This video shows you how to find OneSearch and sign in using your SJSU student ID. OneSearch is the online catalog for the SJSU library and is available to students, faculty, and staff. You can get to OneSearch through your Canvas classroom or go directly by entering the web address highlighted here. You can use OneSearch without signing in, but you won't be able to review your library account or use features such as saving searches, requesting items, or setting an alert when new items are available based on your search query. You can sign into OneSearch two different ways: after you've completed a search or from the OneSearch main page. Here's how to sign in from the OneSearch main page. Click on My Accounts, and then here on the My Accounts page you'll see all of the accounts associated with your SJSU student ID. Click on OneSearch, and then in the upper right corner, click on Sign In. Select SJSU Student and Employee ID, and then complete the credentials for your student ID here and click Sign In. You can see in the upper right corner, I'm now signed in. To sign out, I would click on the Sign Out link, but I can also go over to look at my account, which has to do with my library account at SJSU, and I can get to my favorites, I can look at search history, etc. So by signing in, you're going to get a lot more of the features of OneSearch than if you're not signed in. If you want more information about OneSearch, refer to the quick reference guide.